Well, we are heading out to Ventnor. Such a lovely day. Only for a couple of hours. I thought we'd go along the Millie Road because it's a lovely day. In early October 2025. Just thought it'd be nice to have a change. The wind has dropped off, so I thought I might be able to get the drone up elsewhere along the military road. Not sure how far I go. I've got a good idea of how far we'll go, but we'll see. Partly depends on the amount of fuel I've got in the car, which is not very much. So if it starts to bleep at me, I'll immediately turn back, because I don't want to get stranded somewhere along the Millie Road, although it is my house. So, you know, what would be the problem if I was stranded? That is the question. Right, so I'm going to go. Yep. I'm going to go right here. It's almost the sort of day I should have done a walk around Ventnor, to be honest, but I'll do that tomorrow because I think the weather's going to stay pretty good. I really have been spoilt so far. So this week's main task is to get the second of my reports finished. And then get the main technical report finished, the longer one. When I say finished, I mean the first draft sent around to people. Then there'll be work to do on it based on any feedback I get. I'm taking a break because I've had 3 hours working on the second of the reports this morning, so I'm going to take a couple of hours off. Going to do a little bit of videoing for you people and for me as well. It's nice to get out of Ventnor now and again. Autumn colours beginning to develop now, the sycamores. I'm probably on my way back. I'll probably put the drone up over the undercliff. It's quite good because I can recharge it during each stint of driving. So in theory I ought to be able to record all the way along the Millie Road. Obviously I need to make stops to then record a section, then drive and then stop again. It's always got to be in line of sight. You've always got to be able to see the drone when you're flying. So although it does have a whacking great range of, I don't know, is it 10 kilometres, 10 miles or something? Kilometres, I think. Might be more than that. It has that range, that theoretical range, but you're not allowed to use that range because it's always got to be in line of sight. I do adhere to that because there's no reason not to. It would be nicer not to have to keep doing pit stops in order to do drone flights if I could just let it go for miles and miles, but I'm not going to do that. When it's a little bit breezy, I mean it's not that breezy today, but there's a little tiny bit of breeze in the air. It obviously reduces the battery life a bit. So along this road there are some dodgy cracks appearing on the left-hand carriageway. There's always been a few cracks, but these ones are new ones and they're always along the same line, the same alignment. You may be able to see them on the video. A little bit worrying. I'm sure it's nothing to be concerned about, but it is slightly concerning.